Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Some of you may know I've travelled to Bali and I'm attending a wedding this weekend coming. I've done a fair few things already, been here for a couple of days, and I'm happy to show that to you. But before I do, I'm going to show you my room where I'm staying, and hopefully you'll like it. I'll just walk there. I'm down about 3 flights, so I'll get down the stairs. So what I'm going to do today is show you my room. So we're just looking, I've gone down to the wrong level. I'll go up to the right level and make my way into the room. Hang on. Now I was going to go outdoors in a patio that was out there, but it was locked. They're not letting me in. There's actually signs everywhere that says they don't want people filming in here or taking photos without permission, especially commercial, which is very unusual. Anyway, here's the room. Well, the tag came off. I just popped that into, get some light. Here we go. Now you can see. So I'm staying at the One Legion, and that's the evacuation map. Now I found it very weird that their evacuation floor for earthquakes is on the roof. Why? No idea. People walking past, let's see. Yeah, I don't know, you tell me. Anyway, let's start off with the entry area. This here is the entry area. Just a danky old normal hole. It's got an adjoining room, so that's what this door's for. So we leave that locked. That's weird, that was, I locked that, and it was unlocked. We'll leave that locked just in case someone goes in the other room. We have the first area is the bathroom shower. Bit dirty, sorry guys. We are living in here at the moment. There's the shower area with it's a little bit, you know, not great, but you know, what do? You know, shower head, don't know how good that is. It's okay, it's just standard. Can't drink the water here. Basically, it's not good water. They don't recommend it. Boil it before drinking. Our toilet with a bidet. Now, a lot of you know what a bidet is. I'll show you. And some don't. Let's see. I'll put this towel here because it sprays. Ready? Open up the valve. There it is. Whoa. When we first came here, that was dirty. It had poop on it. Not nice. Oh, I just noticed there's a hanger here. Yeah, for towels. Good to know. It's good when you do a tour in a room and you notice things that you didn't see before. So this is the main room, which is only, you know, a small room. This place is fairly old. Basically, I would say they haven't done a lot here for a while. This air conditioner smells. It's actually got, wow, I just hit my shoe. Oh, just on the corner of the bed. That's not good. That hurt. So the air conditioner stinks. It's got a bit of mold, I suppose, in the filters. I haven't cleaned them out, but you know, what do you want for $70 odd a day? You know, it's pretty good, really. Every day they come along, we've got coffee, and we can boil our water for our coffee. We've got water, drinking water. Every day they give us 2 bottles, which is fine, and we don't have to pay for any of that. I don't know, there's room service and everything else too here, and they do have a safe, which, in my opinion, safes like these, they're not really safe. They're more peace of mind safe. They can get in, we can get in. You just have to do a couple of things and get your access unlock code. It's very easy to get into. As you guys know, we're going to go see a wedding. I'm going to a wedding, so I've got my suit hanging here. There's my shoes, my suit in the bag. I have to wear a suit, and you know, my shirts, my clothes, my wife's stuff. This is the little fridge they supply. Funny enough, they do place the fridge in a hanging area. I guess it's a good place to go, I guess. Got my beers in there. I don't know if you noticed that. That's going to come in an upcoming tasting if you guys are interested in that. I am going upstairs today and I'm going to talk to you about what I did while I was here, so you guys can actually have a look at some of the stuff I do while I'm sampling some of the beers. There's no real local beer except for Bintang, but everybody knows what Bintang is, and most of you guys have probably been here before and know what it tastes like. As some of you may know, I'm in Legian at the moment, not far from Kuta, where the memorial for the Bali bombings happened in 2010 or 11, something like that. So I'm going to visit that probably today, later on, and I'll probably include that in another video, maybe even this one. I'll see how it goes with editing. I also want to show you outside on the Kuta Legian Road. Let's have a look. Oh, by the way, these curtains, there's no join in the middle, so I've got to do this. There we go. And the door opens that way. So you have a look out here. This is where I'm staying. This is my scenery from my balcony. It's on the main road in Legian. And at night, this is a nightmare. It is so loud. Last night they didn't stop until 4 o'clock this morning. It was just terrible. But we do have a lot of tourists here. This is a touristy area. It's quite alright. Been enjoying it here. I didn't think I would actually. Last time I came here, I didn't enjoy it so much. But this time, it's good. I don't mind it at all. So I might actually do, they say don't lean on the railings, but it's been pretty strong. Sorry, I'm distracted. I might do the tasting out here. What do you think? A little bit of traffic going by, but I'll have a mic on so you'll be able to hear me better. Yeah, I reckon it's pretty cool. Anyway guys, stick around for more. I've got some more videos coming up. I'm still in Bali. I won't leave here until Wednesday. You'll probably see this video on Wednesday as I'm flying out back to Australia. Actually, I might pop it out earlier. I might do it today. If I get this edited today, I'll have it out to you. It's Sunday today. Alrighty guys, it's Pierre signing off. Soon we'll be doing a tasting video on my accumulated beers that I've got here at the moment. Cheers, see you soon.